G'day, I'm going to show you today how to upgrade your HP TouchPad to the latest CyanogenMod build, which is CyanogenMod 9 Alpha 1. The main thing this build enables you to do is to make use of the accelerated video support and watch HD videos, for example through the YouTube app. On the YouTube app they come up as HQ videos, and you may have noticed that they don't work on any of the CyanogenMod 9 builds to date. So I've gone to the lilyputing.com website and they have an article about the Alpha 1. So just navigating to that article, I'll show you how to locate the build to download and install. It's just this first link here. Just tap on that and this will enable us to download the build. So just wait for that to download. We have Alpha 1 release notes. This is what we're after. Just need to scroll to the bottom of this post. Here we go. What we have, they have an Alpha 2 CM9, so not sure what that is. Alpha 1 CM9, are they onto Alpha 2 already? Let's see. We'll download that file. Indeed it is an Alpha 2, not an Alpha 1. And that'll start downloading. We'll tap OK and we'll check back in once it's downloaded. Okay, so we're nearly done with the download. Apparently this is the Alpha 2. The Alpha 1 came out earlier today or yesterday, and the Alpha 2 includes some support for playing HD videos through Netflix, I believe. So only some very minor improvements above and beyond Alpha 1, but the latest build is now Alpha 2. So we're just at 98% downloaded here. The build is 112 megabytes in size. It's the same size as the nightly builds, which are about 110, 111 megabytes. So we've nearly finished that. Just a little bit to go there on the end. We're at 99%, and there we go. So that's done. I'll then exit out of that, go into ES File Explorer, go to the download folder, look at the list, that's what we're after, TouchPad Alpha 2. So hold down on that, we want to move to, and we want to move to CM install, and at the bottom just tap OK in the middle. It says it's successfully moved, so we're going to turn the tablet off, power off, OK. Just take a couple of seconds. And it's off, so we'll reboot it now. Hold down the power button, got some action. Now we want to go into clockwork mod. We use the volume keys to navigate and the home key to select. Okay, here we want to go to install zip from SD card. We want to go to the top option, choose zip. We want to navigate down to CM install. We want to choose Alpha 2, full of bugs. We want to install Alpha 2. There we go. The install is underway. Some of the things I've noticed that don't work currently are the camera obviously doesn't work, the gallery app also doesn't work to look at photos and things, and what else doesn't work? You can't search by voice, so Google Voice Search doesn't work, and Google Books doesn't work. So they're the main things I think that I've noticed that aren't up and running yet, but still it's an awesome experience using Ice Cream Sandwich, and the developers have done a brilliant job. So there we go, install, what's it say? Install from SD card complete. So we just want to go back and reboot. And select CyanogenMod. We're going to boot up here into Alpha 2. Still based on the same kernel as last time. There's a version 3 of the kernel that they're also working on, and which should bring a number of other improvements. So don't expect drastic improvements from this alpha build. However, it'll be good to be able to watch HD videos in YouTube. So we'll just boot it up, and then I'll take you into the settings. So just remember, this is a first boot up as well with the new build, so it takes a little bit longer than it may take if you turn it off and on regularly. But here we go, Android is upgrading. It says it's optimizing application. It does take a little bit of time to do this the first time that you boot it up, but you don't have to do this each subsequent time on the same build. I think we're nearly done. So it is very easy to do the updates once you've installed CyanogenMod in the first place. Even updating from CM7 to CM9 was very easily done. Just about finished here. You can see some colour bleeding at the bottom of the screen. I think that's the result of there's a slightly broken casing at the bottom of the bezel there. There we go, we've booted up now. Going to unlock, go into settings. Winamp has stopped. So you get these random messages about certain programs crashing with this still, but that's okay. And here we go, Alpha 2. 4.0.3 still, and build date 20th of Feb.